Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how you can use Zoho Project to manage your sales pipeline. The first step is to create a new project. This essentially becomes the blueprint for your sales pipeline, so it's crucial. Click on the New Project button and fill in the necessary details. This helps us because it organizes our sales pipeline, making it easier to manage and track progress. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating tasks. Click on Add Task, name it, set a due date, and assign it to a team member. The reason we do this is to break down the sales process into manageable tasks, which makes it easier to monitor and reduces the likelihood of missing a step. The third step is to use milestones. Click on Add Milestone and link it to related tasks. This helps us because milestones act as checkpoints, allowing us to review and measure our progress. Next up, we're going to set up dependencies. These are tasks that rely on the completion of others. Just click on the task and select Set Dependency. This is important because it helps us visualize the sequence of tasks and ensures a smooth flow of activities. Lastly, use the Gantt chart to view your sales pipeline. This provides an overview of the entire project, showing the timeline, tasks, milestones, and dependencies. This matters because it gives you a clear visual representation of your sales pipeline, making it easier to manage. And that's it. You've just learned how to manage a sales pipeline using Zoho Project. Remember, the key to a successful sales pipeline is staying organized and keeping track of progress. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep those sales coming in.